so much work to do, so little time in a day. Between IPMAT preparation, board exam preparation, additional skills and hobbies, and everyday tasks, you must be finding it a little difficult to manage, right? Hey everyone, I'm Angel Batra from UniVoyage, and today we bring to you some useful tips for managing your time which will help you achieve your goals better. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. Number 1. Get organized. First things first, organize your tasks. If you know what you have to do, you will get it done. But if you're not clear on your next steps, you'll spend a lot of time figuring out what you have to do. So at the very beginning of the day, write down every task you have to accomplish in the day. Now this will give you more space to think and will clear your mind. Number 2. Divide your topics. Now divide each subject into subtopics, some easy and some difficult. Now allocate a few topics to study in a day. Now make sure that if you're choosing a few difficult topics, pair them with some easier ones to maintain your focus throughout the day. Do this for both your IPMAT preparation and your board exam preparation. Number 3. Allocate time to each topic. Now decide how much time you want to spend on a particular topic. Try not to devote your entire day to just one or two topics. Now ideally, the easier topics should be devoted less time as compared to the harder ones. Number 4. Choose an efficient mode of studying. What helps you prepare better? Videos, textbooks, or your own handwritten notes? Choose the most efficient mode of study as per your preference and requirement. This will help you to study the topics quickly and with better understanding. That is all I have for you today. Team UniVoyage wishes you the very best for your preparation, and remember, we are with you to and through IPM. Goodbye.